It's been a tough second quarter for Tesla, with shortages of parts and pandemic-related production shutdowns at its plant in Shanghai, causing a big drop in the electric car maker's latest global deliveries. Let's take a look at the numbers as we see them. Tesla reporting that it delivered 254,000 vehicles in the second quarter, while up 27% year on year. The Chinese shutdowns brought Tesla its first back-to-back quarterly drop in deliveries in more than 2 years. This was well down on the 350,000 deliveries analysts were expecting, although some had already started to cut their expectations after the chief executive Elon Musk warned that the figure was likely to be roughly level with Q1, which came in at around 310,000. So this is a big disappointment. Now, much of what's happened was because of what's been going on in China with the enforced COVID shutdowns, which have been on and off for much of the year so far, with what the company said were ongoing supply chain challenges and the factory shutdowns beyond our control. Let's take a look at the chart for Tesla. There is no trade today because of the holiday for Independence Day, despite the fact that IG has 24-hour markets trading. There is no all sessions or stock trading at all on this Monday, so I had to wait until Tuesday to get a reaction to what's happening. Adding to the car maker's woes is it's also facing a $440 million write-down in its Bitcoin holdings after a slump in the digital currency's value. Coming out of the weekend, we've got Bitcoin down a further 0.2%. This vertical red line we have here at the left-hand side of the chart is the point at which the company bought its exposure to the cryptocurrency market. $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin it bought back at that point. But the car maker's bet has turned into heavily loss-making into recent months as Bitcoin crashed to that 18-month low.